Hi everybody, it's Miss Allen. I wanted to show you how to get onto the mastering site and how to navigate the mastering site. So the first thing that you would do is go over to this little tab here where it says Pearson My Lab and Mastering and click on it. Let me put it in student mode so you can see where we're going. Okay, so go back to Pearson My Lab and Mastering. I had to put it in student mode so I can see what you're seeing. Okay, so you're going to come to this. It's going to have everything here. Welcome to Mastering A&P, Mastering Assignments, your scores, the settings to however you want to set up your account. You can get the e-text from here, the study area, My Lab Mastering Course Home, etc., etc. So one of the first things that you'll go to is Welcome to Mastering A&P. If you do not have an account, you can set one up here. This will say sign in with your Pearson account if you already have one. If you don't, then you can create one. I can't do that from here, but this is where you would do that. If you don't have a new book with a code in it, then you'll have to pay for it. I think it's like $60. I'm not really sure, but you can go and look at that. So if we go back to this, I'm going to take it out of the student mode so I can show you what everything, well, let me just see what it looks like. If I go to assignment, okay. If I go to assignments, yeah, you can see that from here, I think. Nope, you have to register. All right, so let me go to the exit, the preview, and show you what things will look like. Again, your screen's going to look a little different than mine, but I just want to kind of let you see what it's going to look like on the inside. Okay, so you'll have mastering assignments. So you click on this, and your assignments basically are just going to be exams. Okay, so these are all the tests that you have for the semester, so we'll go over that too. This will have your grades. This is my stuff over here, nothing of yours. You can look at the e-text from here. If you don't have a physical book, the e-text is easy to navigate to. Just click on it and it'll take you right over there. Let that come up. My Lab Mastering Course Home. I'm not sure what that's going to have on that for you, but we'll let you look at that on your own. Yeah, that would be for me. Okay, so if we go back to how to work the course as far as your assignments and so forth. So that's how you get onto Pearson My Lab and Mastering. It's very self-explanatory. One thing I want to show you is that when you go to course content, we went over this in the previous video, that when you look at your modules, and the first one that you'll have an assignment in lab with will be Unit 2. So when we click on Unit 2, when that is available to you, you'll have a lab assignment. So remember I said before that you've got checklist. You've got in Unit 4, Module 4, you have a quiz to do, and then you have a lab assignment. So if we click on it, I just want to kind of show you what the lab assignments will look like. Okay, so lab assignment for tissues quiz. This tells you to access mastering using the button in the course menu. Click on the study area. It tells you step by step by step by step. For many of these, you've got quizzes and practicals for practice. You've got maybe some little things to do for practice, but these are not going to be graded. The only thing that's going to be graded is this: once completed, go back to the course homepage and click assignments. Complete the histology quiz for the grade. Okay, and then I'll move the grades over to Blackboard because it doesn't populate well from Mastery to Blackboard, so I have to do that physically. So if it's not done, immediately, it will be done by the time the end of the module has been finished. Okay, so as you move further and further into the course and you get to these lab assignments, I don't give you step by step. I'll just say access Pearson because you'll know what to do by then. So I don't give you step-by-step instructions at the very, very end, like at Unit 4. Unit 4 is probably not a good one. Yeah, it'll say here, access mastering A&P, complete the muscle practical. So basically it tells you everything that you need to know. By that time, you're going to be used to what you should be doing, and you shouldn't need step-by-step instructions. Okay, so I think that's it for how to access mastering and how to work mastering. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to working with you again. Have a great semester.